Hi friends, I'm Anand Ved, your tech guide at Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the procedure to basically rip apart the Lenovo IdeaPad V130 series of laptops. It might be a dual core or a Core i3 or a Core i5 variant. This is the commercial series of Lenovo laptops, and the process will remain the same. After watching this video, you'll be able to basically upgrade your RAM, hard drive, put a SSD, remove the DVD writer, go basically up to the motherboard level and remove the motherboard also. So let's do it. So if your laptop is something that looks like this when opened up, and the top panel of which looks like this, and the base is something like this, and it mentions V130, then you can apply this particular process. And you can see this is the way the Lenovo IdeaPad V130 looks like. As you can see, they have given an M.2 NVMe SSD slot here. The RAM is over here, the hard drive, the battery, the processor fan, CMOS cell, Wi-Fi chip. This is the keyboard connector if you want to replace the keyboard. In another video, we'll show you how to do that. There's the speakers placed out over here, 1 and 2. Neatly designed, absolutely straightforward. So let us start with the RAM here. The RAM is being held by these notches. You just need to remove RAM like this. There will be a small opening over here where you have to insert your very thin minus pin screwdriver. Just try to remove it and it will come off like this. Basically, the Lenovo IdeaPad V130 has 4 GB RAM that is soldered, and you have 4 GB DDR4, 8 GB or 16 GB that you can insert over here. Need to remove the connector. This is basically a 30 watt-hour, 4000 mAh battery, 7.5 volts, and the battery part code is L17M2PB1. This is the RAM area. This is the DDR4 memory that you have to buy. You can upgrade up to 16 GB more. That is 4 GB is on board onto the motherboard, and another up to 16 GB you can purchase. DDR4 low voltage 2666 MHz or 2400 MHz. Just take this memory and insert it like this and press it. This is where the M.2 SSD will fit, and it is capable of having a M.2 NVMe SSD or a basic 2280 SSD also. So right now we have a 240 GB Western Digital M.2 2280 SSD which we will insert. And there is no screw that comes along, so you just need to arrange for a screw and fit it like this. You can upgrade up to 1 terabyte M.2 SSD over here. So coming to the hard drive, there is a Lenovo stickering that exists. So very carefully you need to remove it so that you can again fix it back. Just put it onto this like this. You can upgrade up to 2 terabyte. This is a 2.5 SATA form factor hard drive, or you can put additional SSD also. Just need to remove 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws, and this framing will give away, and you can again put the hard drive back and insert it back like this. Alright, so this is the touchpad cable over here. This is the keyboard connector cable. Another video will replace the entire motherboard as well as the keyboard assembly. This is the speaker. So if somebody wants to replace the speaker, just need to go up to over here, remove the hard drive. There is a cable that runs all through. Just remove the speaker and you're good to go. This is the speaker connector basically. So if you want to replace the Wi-Fi chip, just need to remove this stickering over here and then remove the screw, and the Wi-Fi chip will be off. This is the Wi-Fi chip. These are the two antennas. Just remove these antennas very carefully and take a similar Wi-Fi chip and again insert the antennas back. So let's start fitting in back. Be very sure that you put the battery precisely like this. The locks have to fit perfectly. Push the power connector inside. Just once again press on all sides. There might be some crackling sound, so that's absolutely fine. So in this video, we've shown you how to basically rip apart and disassemble the base of the Lenovo IdeaPad V130. After looking at this video, you'll be able to make a buying decision if you've not already purchased it. And if you've already purchased it and you want to upgrade, you'll be able to upgrade the RAM, put a M.2 NVMe SSD, upgrade your hard drive, remove the CMOS cell, remove the Wi-Fi chip, basically get access to the entire motherboard and everything that you want to replace in this particular laptop. It's a very good design by Lenovo on the V130. Very straightforward, not at all cumbersome. Just remove some screws and you get access, given you have watched the video and applied the entire process thoroughly. So hope you liked the video, guys. Do let us know your suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us. Thank you so much.